Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to sell digital products on Razorpay. First, you'll need to create a Razorpay account and complete the Know Your Customer process. Once your account is verified, navigate to the Payment Pages section within your dashboard. Here, you can begin designing a custom payment page specifically tailored for your digital product, ensuring a smooth and professional checkout experience for your customers right from the start. Next, it's time to configure your digital product. Add all the essential details, including its name, a clear description, and the exact price. Crucially, you'll either upload the digital file directly or provide a secure download link. Ensure you set up automatic delivery of the product immediately after a successful payment, providing instant access to your customers and streamlining your sales process efficiently. Now, let's customize and share your payment page. Personalize its appearance with your branding elements, like logos and colors, to maintain a consistent look. Once satisfied, generate a unique URL for your newly created payment page. You can then effortlessly share this link across all your marketing channels, social media, email campaigns, or your website, reaching a wide audience and driving potential sales. Finally, managing your sales and analytics is straightforward. From your Razorpay dashboard, you can easily monitor all transactions and sales data in real time. Track key metrics such as conversion rates and the total revenue generated to understand your performance. Utilize Razorpay's comprehensive reporting tools to gain valuable insights, helping you make informed decisions and optimize your digital product sales strategy for continuous growth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.